This is our maker, which rating is 160 rpm. We rotate the maker at 160 rpm. This is cable in which we are measure the insulation resistance between the conductors and conductor to earth. And this is our reading table. In manual, the reading table is different. We are taking the different components, that means armored cable, PVC wire and 3-pin socket. Here we only measure the armored cable resistance. This is our actual reading we taken from this practical, in which first we taking the reading between the cable conductors, that means the insulation resistance between the R and N terminal, Y and N terminal, B and N terminal, and after that we taking the reading between the R and B terminal, Y and B terminal, and B and R terminal. In second reading between the cable conductors and armoring. Armoring means earth. Okay, between the cable conductor and armoring, in which we taking the reading between the R phase and E terminal. Next is Y phase and E terminal, B phase and E terminal, and last is neutral wire and earth terminal. And after that we taking the reading between the damaged insulation and conductor. Now we first taking the reading between the cable conductors, that means R and Y conductors. We make the connection between the R conductor and Y conductor. Y means yellow and R means red. Now we rotate the maker at clockwise direction and pause. Now we rotate the maker. Then we seen that here the scale is indicate the reading above 200 mega ohm, because the insulation is in okay condition, not faulty condition. Now we short the terminals of the maker to check the continuity of maker. Maker is in okay condition or not okay condition, so that the reading is near to the 0 mega ohm. See, the reading is near to 0 mega ohm. Now we write down the first reading. First reading is about 200 mega ohm, that is R and Y insulation is in okay condition, not damaged. Now we take the second reading. Second reading is between the Y and B terminal. B means blue wire, Y means yellow wire. Now we rotate the maker. This is also reading is above 200 mega ohm. That means this is also insulation is in okay condition. Now third reading is between the B and R terminal. Okay. Now we rotate the maker. This reading is also above 200 mega ohm, near to infinity. That means insulation is in okay condition. Now we take the reading between the R and N wire, that means neutral wire and R phase wire. This is R terminal wire and this is N terminal wire. Now we rotate the maker. This insulation is also in okay condition. Now we take the reading between the Y and N terminal. This is yellow color wire, Y terminal, and this is neutral wire. Now we take the readings. It is also above 200 mega ohm. Now this is reading is also in okay condition. All the readings above 200 mega ohm. Now our last reading is between the B terminal and N terminal. Now we rotate the measure. It is also above 200 mega ohm. That means insulation is in okay condition. Now for the second reading, we take the reading between the or connection between the cable conductor and armoring. Armoring means earth. This is the cable armoring and this is cable conductor. Now we take the reading between the cable armoring and cable conductors. But before that, we can check the continuity of armoring. Here one terminal is connected to the first armoring and second is also armoring, so that we check the continuity between the armoring. The reading is near to 0. See, the reading is near to 0 mega ohm. That means its continuity is okay. Now we check the reading between the R phase and earthing, that means armoring. Now we rotate the measure. The reading is also above 200 mega ohm. Now we connect the connections between the Y terminal and armored. This is yellow terminal. Now we rotate the measure. This is also 200 mega ohm. Now we take the connection reading between the B terminal and armoring. This is armoring and second last reading is B terminal. Now reading is in about 200 mega ohm. And last reading is between the armoring and neutral conductor. Now we rotate the measure. This is also above the 200 mega ohm. Okay. Now our third reading is between the damaged insulation and conductor, so that we connect the connection between the damaged conductor. See here, this is the insulation damaged ohm, so that the reading will be less than 200 mega ohm because of damaging of insulation. Okay, now we see the reading. Rotate the. It is here the reading is below 200 mega ohm, that is up to the 100 mega ohm, so that the insulation will be damaged. So our reading is below 200 mega ohm or near to the 100 mega ohm. That means insulation condition is not okay condition. Insulation will be damaged. These are our practical readings. Okay. After that, result, interpretation of result and conclusion, write your in own words. Okay, thank you.